design for the Button Farm Club. Who's ready to celebrate? 2020 was a booger of a year, and I'm so happy to be flipping the calendar to January. And I feel like celebrating. So for the January album club kit, we're going to make a fabulous birthday album / planner. And I've been planning this out for probably 6 months with Laura. I'm very excited about it. We are going to be using a graphic 45 rectangle tag and pocket album. This is a big fat album, and we're going to make it really awesome so that you'll be able to each month have a birthday plan laid out, and actually we're going to make cards and gift tags too. So for the paper collection, we have Authentique Paper's fabulous retro Hooray collection. Look at these fun prints and patterns. There are images for kids in here. There are images for adults in here. There are snarky birthday sentiments. There are sweet birthday sentiments. And the colors are just so fun and happy. I'm very, very excited to be working with this collection for this album. And I think you're really going to enjoy it too. So you're going to get 16 12 by 12 sheets of double-sided paper, which is 2 of each pattern. Look at this plaid. And then you're also going to get the 12 by 12 sticker element sheet. And these are heavyweight cardstock stickers. Then you're going to get color matched Spectrum cardstock in Blackjack, Caribbean Blue, and Ladybug Red. Then for our card making, we're going to get 6 more sheets of white, cream, and gray cardstock, 8.5 by 11. We're going to get a little piece of ribbon, and you'll see what we do with that. These really fabulous tassels. I bet you can guess what we're going to do with these. And then 20 wooden buttons in all different colors and sizes, which is, you know, me and my buttons, I love them. Little Birdie Layla tropical flowers. These are rolled roses. They are so beautiful, and they go so well with this collection. And then these beautiful crystal stick pins. You're going to get 2 of those. And then you're going to get 2 yards of this gorgeous, can you see the sparkle? The glitter is built into this ribbon, and this is wired ribbon, which makes it super easy to tie a bow. A whole bag of this birthday ephemera with little strings. We're going to do some fun things with that. And then this silver tone happy birthday charm. In addition to all of that, you're going to get 12 calendars, 1 for each month of the year. And these are going to come to you on 5 by 7 sheets that you're going to cut out and trim down. But we're going to use these for the planner portion. So you have those for every month. You'll also get a link so that if you want to do your, add your dates and such on your computer instead of in your own handwriting, you can. So that is what comes in this fabulous kit. It's really loaded. What a fun way to kick off a new year with birthday celebrations. All right, guys, here's what we're going to make this month. You've already seen the supplies. Now you get to see the finished project. Look how this album turns out. This is a chunky monkey, y'all. This is very full, but part of that is because of what is inside. So here's our dimensional cover with wonderful cut apart elements, our roses, our glitter ribbon, our buttons, just so cute. On the spine, we've got this really, I love these tassels. These just look so great. This label is such a hard thing to work around on these albums, and this just makes it work. I'm very excited about how that turned out. A little cluster of tags, and then there's the back cover. So inside, right off the bat, we've got a pocket where you can store envelopes, stamps, so that you're ready to go. And then here's our pages. I've used this little sticker to kind of hold this closed. Little folio. Then here's our first set of calendars. Look at that, great. Room for a photo underneath. On the back of these, you can write the dates and names of important events that you want to remember. Then over here is a gift tag. Just put this on your package and you're good to go. So you can see as you use these, it'll thin out. But the beauty is every year you can make more. to replenish. So you'll always have birthday cards on the ready. Then in this pocket, I've put a second little birthday card. These are simple, but they're very, very cute. This paper is adorable, and it just all works together so well. So here we've got our little seal birthday card with our little seal layout page. And then here's another layout page. This is actually open so that you can put a picture under there. Here's our little flap page with room for 3 photos on the inside. Then we've got our next set of calendar pages. Another little gift tag, so cute. Another card in the pocket. These are blank on the inside, so you can write a personal note in there. And then another card in the pocket here. Really cute. One of the things I think you're going to like about this is this comes together super fast. There's nothing complicated about this album. It's pretty much all straightforward, and it's great for use as a planner. So I think you're really going to like that. And of course, you can beef these up with supplies from your own stash if you want something that's a little more detailed. But these are great just as they are, I think. And look at this, how fun. This pulls out. Surprise! So fun. And that little sticker holds it in place. Then these are both pockets for photos to just tuck inside. Here's another little set of calendars. Great big spot for a photo. Really cute gift tag. Here's a really sweet little card, so vintage and adorable. This lives in this little pocket. Then here's another little pull-out page with room for really, you know, like 5 photos. You could do a special event, and there's journaling on that one too. Another little card. Here's a fun little layout page. These are open, so photos can tuck back behind. Now we're up to September and October. Room for a photo, gift tag, card, the other card. This is so funny. I'm glad it's your birthday so I can eat cake. Don't tell me you've never thought that. And then another little, this is a really fun little hidden spot. You can tuck a photo in there and journaling. Then little photo mats, layout pages. November, December, here we are. We made it all the way to the end. I wasn't sure we would. Another little gift tag. Another adorable card. This one is super adorable. And another card. Fun layout page. Room to tuck your photo back behind in there. Another layout page. Then all the way at the back, we've got this fun little storage pouch. It's secured with our glitter ribbon. You open this up and you've got a little pocket in here. You can stash stamps, you can stash address labels, you can put photos here, however you want to use this. I just thought that was really cute. And we actually build that using product packaging, which is always fun when you can do that. So that is the kit for this month, for January. Who's ready to celebrate? I think I am. It's time to have a good year with lots of gatherings and fun times. That's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. I will put a link in the description box below where you can purchase your kit. If you're already a member of the mini album kit, this will come to you automatically. There's no need to purchase. If you haven't subscribed to the mini album kit, there will be a link there as well. I'm just filling in for Angela this month. It's always fun to get to fill in and make one of these special albums for y'all. So happy New Year, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.